Hello children, welcome back to my channel. Today I am dealing with 7th class. The topic is ratios. Ratios in proportions. Before going to do that, let us have a small discussion about today's topic. The topic today is discipline makes one efficient. So, how far you are maintaining your discipline, that is very important, children. Actually, what do you mean by discipline? The discipline will give you always a positive attitude. A rule, following a certain rules and regulations is called discipline. While following them, you may find some difficulties. People may ask you not to do that because you are facing so many difficulties. But even then, no, I need to do it. It is for my benefit. If you have a firm decision like that, and if you follow the rules and regulations which are given to you to complete that task, then definitely you will become success. You will get the success. You will become the best person among your peer groups. That means you have the efficiency. You will get the efficiency to do the job. The hurdles that you are getting, they make you, they actually polish you, I can say. Instead of make you, I can say polish you. Means they will make you to shine among your peer group. So children, have discipline. Every task has a discipline. A discipline means the task should be completed in a particular way. When you are going on the road, you know about the signals. When they keep red signal, you have to stop. So that is the rule. Even though you need to go to the destination very urgently, there is a rule that you are not supposed to cross the limit. You are not supposed to cross. That is your discipline. So maintaining discipline, not only in that, any walk of life is very important because that will make you efficient. Let us come back to the topic, that is unitary method we are dealing with today. What is the unitary method? It is a method in which we find the value of one unit and then find the values of required units. This is the definition of unitary method, children. First, what you have to do with the help of the given problem, you have to find out what is the value of one unit. After finding that one unit, you have to go for the required ones. If you see the example sums, then you will be understanding. So, let us see the examples for it. So, the first one is a shopkeeper. You have got that in your textbook. A shopkeeper, this is example 2. Example 2 and example 3 I am doing. Example 2 I am doing now. A shopkeeper, this is second one. A shopkeeper sells 5 tumblers. It goes on like this. Let me read the problem for you children. A shopkeeper sells 5 tumblers for rupees 30. What should be the cost of 10 such tumblers? So they have given 5 tumblers cost. So first you have to find out what is the cost of one tumbler because we are using unitary method. In unitary method, what is the definition? The method in which we find the value of 1 unit. So here they have given 5 tumblers. So what is the cost of 1 tumbler? First we have to find out. Afterwards, what should be the cost of 10 tumblers? The required number means here 10 tumblers. So what is given to you? The number of tumblers are how many? 5. What is their cost? Their cost is given rupees 30. Now the question is, what is the cost of 10 such tumblers? 10 tumblers is equal to how much? This is the question. So you can make a statement here, children. 5 tumblers cost rupees 30. So 1 tumbler cost how much? This is a statement. So when you write this statement, always wherever you have got the question mark, this value into this divided by this. 1 into 30 is 30 by 5. 5 ones are 5 6 are. So cost of 1 tumbler is 6 rupees. So cost of 1 tumbler is equal to rupees 6. Now we need to find out cost of 10 tumblers is equal to rupees 6 into 10, that is equal to rupees 60. This is the answer, children. Please copy it. Now we will go to example 3. What is the cost of 9 bananas? What is the cost of 9 bananas? If the question I'll read. What is the cost of 9 bananas? If the cost of a dozen bananas is rupees 20. Dozen means how many, children? Dozen means 12. So what is given to you? The number of bananas is equal to 1 dozen, that means 12. Then cost of a dozen bananas if the cost of dozen bananas is rupees 20. So 12 bananas cost rupees 20. So first we have to go for 1 banana cost is how much? Why? We are doing unitary method. Otherwise you can use the other methods, but here unitary method, so we have to go for 1 banana. So this is equal to how much? 20 by 12. So let it be like this. Now what you want? You want cost of 9 bananas. So cost of 9 bananas is equal to 1 banana cost into 9. So 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 4 ones are 4 fives are 15. So cost of how many bananas? 9 bananas. 9 bananas is equal to rupees 15. This is the answer. So please copy it, children. This is example 3. Now you will go to do these sums. Now do this. Do these sums you have got in page 116. In my book, the page is 116, children. Sometimes, according to the book print, pages may change. Please go through it properly. So, first one is 40 benches are required. This is the sum. Let me read. 40 benches are required to sit 160 students. So there are 40 benches, or there are 160 students, and those students need 40 benches. How many benches will be required to seat 240 students at the same rate? At the same rate means what? Whatever number of children that can sit in one bench, basing on that rate. So we need to find out that first. So number of benches they have given 40. Number of benches are 40, and then number of students is 160. Now the question is, how many number of benches required for 240 children? The question is number of benches required for 240 students. This is the question. So, how many benches are required? 40 benches. 40 benches are required. For how many students? For 160 students. So, we need to find out required for, you write for 160 students. So, for in one bench, you write in one bench, how many number of students? In one bench, how many number of students can be made to sit? So what you will be getting? 160 by 40. Now 4 0 0 will get cancelled. 4 4s are. So therefore, in one bench, 4 students can sit. Now the question is, how many students are there? 240 students. So benches required for number of benches for 240 students. This is equal to, so for 4 students you need one bench. So 240 students means 240 divided by 4. Because in one bench 4 students can sit. 240 students means how many benches are required? 4 6 are 0, 60. Therefore, number of benches required is equal to 60. If you have any doubt here, children, see, in one bench 4 students, 240 students, how many benches? This should be the step. So 240 into 1 by 4, that is 240 into 1 is 240 by 4. So this is the statement that you will be getting for this problem. If you have any doubt in understanding, the statement will give you a clear idea about it. Please go through it. Now, next one. The second problem in do this is when a robin bird flies. When a robin bird flies, it is like this. So let me read the problem. When a robin bird flies, it flaps wings 23 times in 10 seconds. Wings, a bird has to flap the wing to fly. So they have counted how many number of times it is flapping the wings in 10 seconds. In 10 seconds, 23 times it is flapping. So how many times will it flap its wings in 2 minutes? Remember, children, whenever you are doing a sum, units should be proper. Same units you should use. Different units you are not supposed to use. In this problem, time units are different. They have given 10 seconds and 2 minutes. So, you have to convert either seconds to minutes or minutes to second to do this sum. But conversion of minutes to seconds to minutes is not required here. You can do it very easily, this sum, when you convert minutes to seconds. So let us complete this sum. So a robin bird flaps. Bird flies. It flaps wings 23 times in 10 seconds. So number of times the bird flaps is 23. And what is the time taken for it? Is 10 seconds. So the question is, uh, how many times it flaps in 2 minutes. So the question is number of times the bird flaps in 2 minutes is how much? This is the question. So we know that in 10 seconds the bird flaps 23 times. So in 1 second, how much? So 23 by 10 times. Let us keep it like this. Now, what is the time they have given? 2 minutes. So 23 by 10 times. Let us keep it like this. Now, what is the time they have given? 2 minutes. So 23 by 10 times. Let us keep it like this. Now, what is the time they have given? 2 minutes. So 23 by 10 times. Let us keep it like this. Now, what is the time they have given? Time given is 2 minutes. So 2 minutes can be converted into seconds. 2 into 60, because you know that 60 seconds make 1 minute. So how much it is? 120 seconds. So in 1 second, bird flaps how many? 23 by 10 times. So in 120 seconds, how many times? 23 by 10 into 120. So zeros will get cancelled. 12 threes are 36. 12 twos are 24, 3, 27. So it is 276 times. This is the answer, children. Please copy. This is the second one. You have got one more sum that I will be doing. Now do this. Third sum is the average human heart beats at 72 times per minute. So it goes on like this. Let me talk. Read this problem. The average human heart beats at 72 times per minute. How many times does it beat in 15 seconds? Does it beat in 15 seconds? And how many in 1 hour and how many in 1 day? So these are the different times they have given. First, what they said, in 1 minute, 72 times. Then 15 seconds. Are they same, children? The units are not same. So minute should be converted into seconds and do this problem. And then in 1 hour, again hours should be converted into minutes, and then you have to do this. And 1 day, so hours we will be getting the answer. So 24 hours per day. So basing on that we can do. Let me do the sum, you will understand. The average of human heart beats 72 times per month. Heart beats 72 times in 1 minute. This is given to you. So the question is, how many times it beats in how much? 15 seconds. So number of times heart beats in 15 seconds is equal to how much? So 1 minute means what, children? 1 minute means 15 seconds. 1 minute means 60 seconds. 1 minute means 60 seconds. So in 60 seconds, heart beats how many times? 72 times. So first we have to find out in 1 second heart beats how many times. So 72 by 60 times. Okay. Now we need to find out number of times. This also we will write as a statement that will be easy for you children. So in 1 second heart beats 72 by 60 times. So in 15 seconds heart beats how many times? So this is nothing but 15 into 72 by 60. 15 fours are 60, 4 ones are 4, and then 4 eights are 32. So 18 times. So in 15 seconds, heart beats 18 times. This is the answer for the first bit. And the second one is how many times in 1 hour? The question is for 1 hour. 1 hour is nothing but you have got 1 minute, they have given 72 times. So you can convert hours into minutes. 1 hour means 60 minutes. So heart beats 72 times in 1 minute. So in 60 minutes, how many times heart beats? So what you will be writing? 72 into 60. 0. 6 2s are 12. 6 7s are 42. 1 43. 4,320 times. This is the second answer, children. Next, how many times it beats in 1 day? 1 day it will be having 24 hours. So in 1 hour, heart beats how many times? 4,320 times. This is the answer you got here. Now, in 24 hours, heart beats how many times? So, 4320 into 24. So, let us multiply it. 4320 into 24. 0, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 1 17, 0, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. So 0, 8, 6, 13, 9. You will be, it is 10. 8 plus 2, 10. You are getting 103680. 3680. That means 1,03,680 times. This is the answer, children. So I hope I am clear with it. Please copy it. So with this, I am going to conclude today's topic. In the next class, I will be teaching you the next portion.